Did you ever think quantum computing could actually move the needle on a tech giant's stock price? Well, that's exactly what just happened with IBM, and the story is wild. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll find out how a breakthrough in quantum error correction sent IBM's shares soaring, and what this could mean for the future of computing, and maybe even your portfolio. So here's what went down. IBM's stock just had its best day since January, not because of some blockbuster earnings or a splashy acquisition, but because of a technical research paper. Yep, you heard that right. A scientific paper is shaking up Wall Street. But here's where it gets crazy. This isn't just any paper. IBM revealed new advances in quantum error correction, and they did it using an AMD chip. Why does this matter? Quantum computers are incredibly powerful on paper, but in practice, they're notoriously finicky. They make mistakes, lots of them, thanks to what scientists call quantum errors. Fixing those errors is the holy grail for making quantum computers practical, and that's what no one tells you about quantum. It's not just about raw speed or fancy algorithms. If you can't reliably fix the errors, all that horsepower is pointless. That's why IBM's progress here is such a big deal. They've managed to make quantum error correction work better, and they did it by teaming up with AMD, a leader in high-performance chips. Let's zoom out for a second. Quantum computing has been hyped for years, but it's always felt a little out of reach. Experts have said we're a decade or more away from quantum machines that can actually solve real-world problems. But every breakthrough like this chips away at that timeline, and investors are paying attention. Now, here's a stat that'll make you think. IBM's research isn't just about theory. They're showing results that could make quantum computers more reliable, faster, and more scalable. That means we might see quantum tech tackling problems in finance, healthcare, and cybersecurity much sooner than anyone expected. But what's really interesting is the market's reaction. IBM's stock popped, its biggest single-day gain in months, all thanks to a research paper. That's rare. Usually, Wall Street cares about profits, not physics. But this time, investors see the long game. If IBM can stay ahead in quantum, it could transform not just their business, but entire industries. Of course, there's still a lot of work to do. Quantum error correction isn't solved yet, but IBM's new paper is a big leap forward, and the fact they're working with AMD shows they're building a powerful ecosystem. So, what does this mean for you? Should you rush out and buy IBM stock? Not so fast. Quantum computing is still risky, and nobody can guarantee when or if it'll go mainstream. But this breakthrough is a reminder. Sometimes real innovation happens quietly, in labs and research papers, before it explodes onto the market. And that's what makes this story so exciting. Quantum computing could change everything from how we encrypt our data to how we discover new medicines. IBM's latest move might just be a glimpse of that future. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories that connect the dots between science, markets, and your money. Because the next big leap in tech could be just one research paper away.